The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G is rumored to be Samsung's boldest smartphone concept yet, moving beyond traditional foldables to a rollable display that can extend and retract smoothly to offer a tablet-like screen without a crease, with the display reportedly reaching up to around 12.4 inches when fully extended. Unlike foldables that hinge open, this rollable form factor is designed to provide a continuous, flat viewing surface, combining the portability of a phone with the immersive screen size of a tablet. Under the hood, it's expected to use a high-end Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, or Samsung's own Exynos variant in some regions, with up to 16 GB of RAM, while a large 8,000 mAh battery with fast charging should support all-day use. Camera capabilities are tipped to be strong, featuring a high-resolution 200MP main sensor alongside versatile secondary cameras, and a 12MP under-display selfie camera for uninterrupted expansive viewing. Other premium touches include a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, incredibly high brightness for outdoor viewing, built-in S Pen support for creativity and productivity, and a titanium frame for durability. Samsung's plan is to debut the Z Roll alongside other next-gen Z devices in late 2026, positioning it as a groundbreaking evolution in mobile design that could redefine how large-screen smartphones are used.